We got at least two. We got at least two, honeys. You let me see, Mama? Let me see. Let me see. Come on, let me see. Let me see. Let me see, Mama. Stand up and let me see. Looky there. Yay, good girl. Good girl. Good boy, Daddy. Good babies. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. He was eating. He was having some supper. Come on, it's time to put him to bed. Time to go night-night. Let's go. Come on, littles. It's time to go night-night. It's time to go night-night. Hi, Mulder. You're going to fill it full of feathers again, huh?
Take me anywhere that you want. I don't even care if we come back again. And as long as the stars are shining above us, then I just wanna be where you are. I don't wanna close my eyes.
Oh my goodness, so I just did a brushing session for Boone. Wow. Wow. Let's see if I got any teddy bears around that need some stuffing replaced. Wow. Golly, that has to feel better, huh, boy?